Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car in the UK using your V5C document. The V5C, often called the logbook, is a vital piece of paperwork that confirms you are the registered keeper of your vehicle. It contains essential information about your car, including its make, model, and registration number. Making sure this document is correct and properly handled is key to a smooth and legal sale, protecting both you and the buyer throughout the process. Before you even list your car, it's essential to prepare your V5C. First, find your logbook and carefully review all the information printed on it. Check your name, address, and the vehicle's details for accuracy. If anything is incorrect, you must contact the DVLA to update it before proceeding with the sale. Remember, the original V5C should always remain with you until the transaction is fully complete and payment is received. When you've found a buyer and agreed on a price, it's time to complete the V5C together. You'll need to accurately fill in Section 2, titled New Keeper Details, with the buyer's full name and address. Both you and the new owner must then sign and date Section 6, the declaration part. Finally, tear off Section 9, the New Keeper Supplement, and hand this portion to the buyer as their immediate proof of ownership. After the sale is complete, your final crucial step is to notify the DVLA. You must send the completed Section 2 of the V5C, which contains the new keeper's details, directly to the DVLA. Alternatively, for a faster process, you can notify them online through their official website. It's wise to keep the remaining part of your V5C, specifically Section 1, for at least 2 months as your personal record and proof of the transaction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.